Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So adjusting subtitle color and background can make captions easier to read, especially on bright or fast moving scenes. Okay, so go to Amazon subtitle settings, like open Amazon website or open primevideo.com. Okay, this is where subtitle styles are controlled. So for example, you go to you choose the show or the movie you want to apply this edits or modifications into. Like for example, let's choose any show, for example this one. Okay, you play it first. Okay, so after this, as you can see, we have here many options. Okay, so you have here full screen, enter picture in picture, we have here the volume of the voice, and here with the sound, and here we have options. Okay, so we have the quality, and here we have the subtitles. Okay, so as you can see here, we have many languages in the subtitle, and we have audios. Okay, so you have to go to subtitle settings. Okay, so here we, as you can see, we can play with the color. Okay, here. Okay, so it's up to you. And about the background, select background color, like adjust opacity if available. Dark backgrounds improve readability. Preview changes, like check the live preview, make adjustments as needed. Ensure text is clear and readable. Okay, save settings, like click save if it's available. Settings are applied to your account. Okay, so refresh Prime Video, open Prime Video, and play video. Subtitles will now use your new style. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.